Question 3, Bundle 8, Module 2. In this figure, line M is parallel to line N and line T intersect both lines. Okay, before solving this question third, let's recall all the properties of parallel lines. M is parallel to N and T is the transversal here. So first property is about corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. Now what are corresponding angles? They are on the same side of the transversal, and if one angle is above line M, another angle will be above line N. So here pair is angle 1 is equal to angle 5, right? 1 is above M and 5 is above N, and they both are on the right hand side. Similarly, you can guess another pair. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Both are below, M and N, and T is the transversal on the right hand side. Similarly, we can say for the left hand side, angle 2 is equal to angle 8 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles are also equal. Now what are alternate angles? They are on the opposite side of the transversal. If inside, both are inside. If outside, both are outside. Let's see what does I mean by this. So angle 4 is equal to angle 8. So 4 is on the right hand side and 8 is on the left hand side, and they both are inside the parallel lines. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, right? So because we are talking about the angles which are inside, so these are interior alternate angles which are equal. And similarly, there are exterior alternate angles. Angle 1 on the right hand side, angle 7 on the left hand side, angle 2 on the right hand side, and angle 2 on the left hand side, angle 6 on the right hand side. These are alternate angles. And the third property is co-interiors. Co-interiors are supplementary. What are co-interiors? Co means on the same side, interior means inside. So angle 4 and angle 5. This is first co-interior pair, and these are supplementary. Second is angle 3 plus angle 8, which is again forming a co-interior pair. Now in all the three properties, you must have noticed that one angle involves line M and another angle involves line N, right? One from M, another for N. So whenever one involves first one of the parallel lines and second involves another of the parallel line, these three properties, are true. But if you notice right here, we can also see, like, if we just ignore this line L and see only T and M, they will show the properties of intersecting lines. Similarly, if we ignore M and see line N and T, they are showing a pair of intersecting lines. So even though our question is about like parallel lines, we can use these properties also. Here I have shown only like T, M and T, N, right? So if we see T and M, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4, right, about T and M. So these are vertically opposite angles which are equal. And similarly, in this another pair, angle 6 is equal to angle 8 and angle 7 is equal to angle 5. This is again vertically opposite angles for the second pair. Also, you can see linear pair here. Now let's see linear pair. If I consider this line, right, this and this are forming linear pair, and 2 and 3 are forming linear pair. So let's write this pair. It is angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree and angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, if you take 3T as a line, then angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So from two intersecting lines, we can get 4 supplementary angles. Similarly, if you see the other pair, just guess 6 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree when line is M. And when line is T, angle 6 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. Now, if you are good with the properties, okay, let's move to question number 3. But if you need to revise them, I would suggest you to pause the video and write all the possible angles which we have discussed. Now let's come here. We have to find angle x. One is here, like, just figure is tilted. Like when I was discussing, lines were like this and it is the transversal. It's just the opposite. Now one angle is above the line, another is below the line. Okay, so they exactly are not showing any of the parallel line properties. So let's see what we can do. Why not apply linear pair here first? So if it is 33, let's say it's A. So A plus 33 is equal to 180 degree. So A will be equal to 180 minus 33, which is 147. So this angle is 147. Now you can say, because this is above line M and this one is above line N and they are on the same side, so they are forming a pair of corresponding angles. So angle X is equal to A. So X is equal to 147. Now this is just one way of solving it. Another way is like you can also solve it by other ways, corresponding angles. 33 and these are corresponding angles, and x will form a linear pair. Many ways, but this is the first one of the ways we have discussed. Okay, question number 4. Scene rents a tent at a cost of $11 per day. That means every next day he has to pay 11 more dollars plus a one-time insurance fee of $10. One-time insurance fee. Now this is a linear situation because per day is fixed. So it's a linear equation. So y is equal to mx plus b. B is the initial cost. So initial cost is $10, which is the insurance fee. And per day, $11 are increasing. So it's 11 x plus 10. Now, in our question, total cost is C, not Y. So let's replace Y with C. And per day is D, not X. So it is 11D plus 10. Okay, C is the right option. Correct?